Hi everybody, Dr. Jody Kinney. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about how chiropractic we treat herniated discs in the neck spine. So one of the ways that I can tell if there's potentially a herniated disc is by x-ray. So we take x-rays in our office. We are very thorough in that we do a motion series of x-rays, static x-rays, but one of the main ways we can tell is what we call a lateral or a side view of a neck spine. And that's exactly what this patient is showing right here. So normally you should have a 35 to 40 degree posterior curve in the neck, right? So if that's the front, this is the back, the curve should be going backwards like a banana shaped curve to the neck. This particular patient has an 11 degree curve to the neck, which means that the neck and the head have shifted forward on those discs. Now, when we look at what a disc looks like, it should look like that. Nice big space, nice smooth rounded edges. I like that one too. Nice smooth rounded edges. This one looks pretty good. Where you start to see little pointy changes and loss of space, specifically like that one there, that is an indication to me that there is more than likely a herniated disc. Now, the only definitive way we can tell if it's herniated is by an MRI, which is an expensive test, and a lot of insurance companies may or may not pay for that test. So we're going to treat this as if it's the worst case scenario. There's probably a herniated or a bulging disc going on there. With cervical chiropractic adjustments, we can help create healthy alignment in the spine, work on getting a healthy curve back in the neck, alleviate some of the tension up and down the back of that spine, and ideally help to alleviate the inflammation on that nerve, because you can live your life with a herniated disc. Initially, it might not feel so good, but ultimately over time, that pain and that inflammation will go away with chiropractic. So if you have a herniated disc in your neck or in your lower back, come get adjusted. Come to a chiropractor. This is the all-natural, drug-less way, surgery-free way to treat a herniated disc so that you can get on with your life too. All right. Hopefully we see you soon. Dr. Jody Kinney signing off.